I took a race car party invitation in Canva and turned it into a full set of school supply stickers. Watch this transformation. Here is our invitation right here, and as you can see, they have plenty more, all kind of themes. You don't have to just pick this one, but this is the one that I chose. So what I did was I took all of the birthday elements and got rid of those, got rid of anything that I did not need. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so what I did after this was I wanted a like checker theme in the background, so I'm gonna look for race car background. And they have so many that you can choose from, of course, but I chose this one, and I'm going to change my background to white so you can see it. Make that fit the entire screen, and then I'm going to put that in the back. Okay, and I'm going to lock that in place so it won't move when I'm doing everything else. Okay, so this is the tire with the fire. So I'm going to go up to edit, and I'm going to go to shadows, outline. I'm going to change the outline to white and make it a little thicker so we can see it. I'm going to move that to the side. I like this, and I'm going to keep that, so I'm going to just put it to the side here, make it a little smaller. And this is going to be our composition notebook. So let's move his name. That might, I'm gonna stay, keep that there. Okay, let's go to composition notebook label. Oops. Okay. So they have all kinds. Oh, this one is cute. That's fun. So they have all kinds that you can choose from, but I'm just gonna go with the standard. Put it about there, and I want my tire a little bigger, and I'm gonna bring it to the front. So you can just play around with these elements and put them however you want. So this is everything that came with it already, so you can change the name, like, you know, make it whatever name that you want. I'm gonna put my son's name. Okay. And it's not gonna be, of course, like the exact way I did the other ones. They're all here because you know, you can't always remember exactly what you did, but I'm just showing you how I got basically what I got to. And I think I want that there. And I'm gonna move this car over, and I wanted some smoke. So I think I put in car smoke. Yeah. So kind of like it's coming from the exhaust. This might not be the one I chose prior, but I think it was this one. Yeah, and then let's flip it. And I'm gonna put that to the back. And I think I had this down here. So basically, the reasoning for doing it like this is, as you know, like when you are designing, sometimes you can't come up with an idea. Sometimes you draw a blank, you know, and you can literally go to Canva and pick a design and just rearrange it. So that fast, you see, I don't know how many minutes that was, but that fast you see that we created a whole composition notebook. And you can go through and just copy and paste and put your elements to each one. Bring these down a little bit, they're a little too big. So yeah, you can just copy and paste and paste it to each individual school supply that you need. These are the labels here. This is for the pencil, and I just put the name sideways for the pencil, and that's pretty much it. Like, it's that simple. I did make another video on how to do this, how to get other sizes. I'm gonna link it. This is for YouTube. I'm gonna link it down below. Yeah, I'm gonna link it. But yeah, so anyway, this is how you do it. It's super simple, you know. So you just go to the designs and just pick one and start editing. Like, this one is cute, this one, like, they have some, oh, look at that, it's adorable. So you can just change these and make them into school supplies. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I wasn't going to do every single thing because we will be here all day, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed that. Give me a comment, like, share, follow, subscribe, all that, whatever you're watching this on. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.